Hey everybody, welcome to Davis Daily. I'm here to show you the Skyreat or Skyreat carrying case for the DJI Neo drone. I got this on Amazon. It was only $20 for this case. I wanted a little case for this. I didn't want to go and buy another expensive big case and modify it, because I just needed enough room to carry this and a couple batteries and the accessories. So here it is. This thing is rainproof. It's pretty rugged. It's rainproof. You can throw it around. It's scratch proof. And let's get into it. So I'm gonna open this sucker up. Right here you have pockets. So you have mesh pockets here. You can put your charging cables, your propellers, your extra propellers, things like that. It's got a handle in there, shoulder strap. This right here will hold 2 batteries, and this is where we put the drone. So let's stick the drone in there. See how it fits. Oh yeah, there we go. It's perfect. So there you go. I mean, it's really simple. But I mean, you can hear it. It's a really well-built carrying case, and it has a little handle here so you can carry it, but I'm going to use the straps so I can carry it around my shoulder. And you just throw your drone in this and you go, and you got your little cameraman to do your little videos with here. So there it is. There's the handle, and it's from Skyreat. I looked at a bunch of them, but I mean, the reviews on this one were really good, and you can't beat $20. I mean, there it is. There's my drone. So I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in getting a carrying case for your DJI Neo. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.